If you're running a business, customizing your client forms in SuiteDash can save you a lot of time and make your workflow smoother. But customizing SuiteDash client forms can seem tricky if you're new to the software. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to customize your SuiteDash client forms in just a few simple steps, so you can tailor them to meet your business needs. Stick around till the end because not only will I show you how to get the best out of SuiteDash, but I'll also give you some better alternatives to consider for your business that come with extended free trials. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log in to your SuiteDash dashboard. Once you're in, head to the Forms section. This is where all your client forms are stored. If you've never customized a form before, this is where you can create a new one by clicking Add New Form. You'll be presented with a blank canvas where you can start building. Next thing, you want to think about the type of fields your business needs. SuiteDash offers a wide range of field types: text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more. Depending on your business model, choose the fields that will collect the information you need. For instance, if you're running a service business, having text fields for client name or service requested is critical. Drag and drop these elements to your form and adjust the settings to suit your preferences. You can also add sections to break up long forms, making them more user-friendly. The third thing is customizing the field labels. By default, SuiteDash gives generic labels for each field, but you can edit these. Changing the field labels to suit your business helps make the form more professional and client-friendly. For example, instead of name, you can use full name or preferred name. Also, don't forget to mark any required fields so clients don't miss critical information. Next thing, let's talk about the design. SuiteDash gives you some control over the form layout, including colors, fonts, and spacing. It's crucial that your form matches your business's branding. So, take the time to adjust the form style. You can change the background color, adjust button styles, and even modify the form's overall width. This small detail goes a long way in creating a consistent experience for your clients. The fifth thing, let's get into automations. SuiteDash allows you to set up automations that trigger based on what your clients fill in on the forms. For example, you can create a thank you message that triggers once someone submits a form, or you can automatically send a follow-up email to new leads. This is where SuiteDash really shines, as automating these processes saves you tons of time and ensures a seamless experience for your clients. Next, let's talk about testing your form before you send it out to clients. Always test the form by filling it out yourself. This ensures everything is working correctly, from the form submission to the notifications that get triggered. You'll also want to make sure that the data is being saved properly, and you're receiving it in a format that's easy to manage. Now, let's be honest for a second, SuiteDash does offer great customization, but it's not perfect for everyone. The interface can sometimes feel a little overwhelming, and if you're not already familiar with the platform, it might take a little while to get the hang of things. But if you're committed to making it work, it's definitely a solid option for businesses looking to organize their client interactions. But here's the thing, if your primary goal is to streamline client forms and workflows without the steep learning curve, there are other tools out there that might be better suited to your needs. One great alternative is competitor software. It's simpler to use, comes with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, and offers faster client form creation. Plus, they offer a free trial, so you can test it out for yourself before committing. To wrap up, SuiteDash is a solid platform, especially if you need detailed customization. But it might not always be the easiest or fastest option out there. I've also included some amazing alternatives that come with extended free trials, better suited for streamlining client forms for your business. Make sure to check out the links in the description below for an exclusive extended free trial to SuiteDash, along with some amazing alternatives that you should definitely consider. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching.